say
Mhm.
too, as far as like high ticket is concerned, because you had mentioned low ticket as well, right?
If I did, I maybe mentioned some. I don't know if I said the words, but I did say something like if it's something like a front end offer, and then they
Mhm.
get in, they realize, oh wow, this needs more creativity than what I have because I don't. I put Drew's creativity in here to give them a story, to give them
Yeah,
a.
so basically what I wanted to bring up on that as well is there's a couple of ways to go about selling high ticket. So obviously the first one is it's what I do. Like, VSL goes to phone call CTA and they
Yeah.
get closed on the phone. And then if they don't get closed on the phone or if they never like click to like even watch the video, then you send them emails about low ticket. So like, hey, I know you didn't click to like watch how to X, Y, and Z, but I'm gonna give you this little thing that's gonna give you like a taste. So instead of like a 5K program, it's like a $10 thing that gives them a little taste.
Mhm.
And then it's like a downsell, right? And then like a lot of those people end up going back into high ticket traditionally with all the people I've worked with. One time I had a client, 5K coaching program, was doing pretty well. They developed a $10 offer. And then 4% of those people went on to spend 5K.
Oh
And
wow.
it ended up being 4% ended up being a lot of people because it worked so well that they were running paid traffic to both of them.
Okay.
So I just want to let you know that either way can work. There's a lot of fluctuation if you're doing like there's a lot of room for error if you're doing high ticket because the margins are so good, especially if it's information that you're selling.
Uh-huh.
Um, so I just want to like let you know that you can go low ticket or high ticket. There's not necessarily a right answer. They both work.